Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Those looking to capture high-resolution aerial photography and videography. I found this to be one of the very best drones currently on the market. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro packs an impressive 5.1K Hasselblad triple camera system which can capture insanely detailed 5.1K video at up 50 frames per second and still images at up to 48 megapixels. The cameras sit on a 3-axis gimbal for maximum tilt, roll, and pan control. Yes, it's expensive, but the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is still within the budget of many experienced drone pilots looking to upgrade their equipment. What's possible using the drone's 3 cameras sets this drone apart from competitors in the same price range. This drone's enhanced omnidirectional sensors, built-in GPS and advanced auto-return feature also help its pilot avoid obstacles in complex environments. DJI's Active Track subject recognition technology accurately locks onto a moving object on the ground to track and film it with ease. When used with DJI goggles, sold separately, you can enjoy an incredibly immersive, first-person view of your flights. Premium price. Expensive accessories. Hasselblad main camera. Mavic 3 Pro has a 4/3 CMOS sensor, 24mm format equivalent, f/2.8 f/11, 20MP. The Hasselblad 4K drone camera supports shooting RAW photos with a dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops. FAA Remote ID compliant. DJI Mavic 3 Pro complies with the FAA Remote ID rule. Please check the compliance document below to see the user guide for Remote ID, and you can visit the FAA's website for requirements of drone registration and Remote ID. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing and APS 5.0. Mavic 3 Pro ensures you fly safely and create with peace of mind. 8 vision sensors work with a vision computing engine to sense obstacles. 43-minute max flight time. Mavic 3 Pro gives you more confidence to fly further and spend less time worrying about the battery level of the long-range drone with camera for adults. DJI O3 Plus. Mavic 3 Pro features a transmission distance of up to 15 kilometers with stable signals, presenting a more coherent camera view. A professional 4K camera long-range drone for adults. Includes DJI RC and 1 battery. DJI RC has a lightweight, comfortable feel and 700 nit brightness. It's a great for DJI long-range 4K camera drones. An affordable remote controller with a screen. Number 2. DJI Mini 2SA. A compact but versatile drone with good video. The DJI Mini 2SA is affordable, making it ideal for amateur pilots and those looking for a sub-$500 price tag. Like the Mini 3 Pro, the Mini 2SA folds and fits easily in your hand when folded. This drone really shines when in flight. It can produce impressive and sharp aerial video and still images. You can have the drone hover, circle or follow an object while filming. Unfortunately, it only senses obstacles below, not in 4 directions like the Mini 3 Pro. Everything you need to fly this drone fits into the included case. What the reviews say, even though this is one of DJI's cheaper drones, it's on a league of its own for the price. The gimbal and the camera are phenomenal, and the drone itself is super stable. I flew it in front of a fan and it didn't move an inch without the controller. Only senses obstacles below. Lacks digital zoom. The drone is lightweight and compact, weighing. It's perfect for taking on hikes, road trips, and other adventures, allowing you to capture stunning aerial moments from above wherever you go. Number 3. EXO Scout. First-time pilots. The EXO Scout steps up the toy drone category with a greater range of abilities than you might expect from a drone at this size and price, making it the all-time best drone for beginners. It has 3 flight speeds, 7, 12, and 15 miles per hour. The drone also handles auto takeoffs and landings. Plus, you can set an altitude hold mid-flight and take advantage of internal sensors to avoid crashes. The camera shoots 1080p video or 6 megapixel still images. You're able to tilt the camera up or down remotely using your smartphone and take advantage of a 10x digital zoom feature. On the downside, maximum flight range is just 315 feet and flight time is a mere 15 minutes per battery charge. We recommend purchasing the 2 or 3 battery kit from Amazon. Priced under $170, this drone is a good value if you're looking for a budget-oriented option that's simple to operate. What the reviews say: I'm new to the drone world and very much a novice. This product is very sturdy. Yes, I have experienced many crashes already due to user error, writes one buyer. Definitely a good option if you are curious about drones but want to test it out without breaking the bank. Poor battery life. Limited flight range. Very low resolution still image camera. Number 4. HoverAir X1. The HoverAir X1 isn't your typical drone. Rather than guiding it with controls on your phone or using joysticks on a remote control, the HoverAir is a selfie drone. Launch it from the palm of your hand and it'll follow you, orbit you, or zoom far overhead to take bird's-eye video. So while you can't use this drone for recreational flying or to shoot cinematic videos of your neighborhood, it's ideal as a sort of flying selfie stick to capture footage of you riding a skateboard or hiking the side of a mountain. The drone's magic is in its simplicity. A single button on the drone lets you choose from among a half-dozen flight modes. It comes with 2 batteries, though each one only gives you about 10 minutes of flight time. And a plastic cage completely encases the propellers, so when it flies into a tree, it won't get damaged. Just keep in mind it probably will fly into things. It has no collision avoidance, and doggedly tries to track you even if stuff gets in between. What our experts say: more than once the drone crashed into a tree because it was following my bike through dense trees. I picked it up and restarted the flight. No harm, no foul. It seems virtually indestructible, says executive editor Dave Johnson. Unexpected bonus: you can actually fly the drone manually using controls in the app on your phone, or via an optional tiny remote. But the real magic here is using it as a selfie drone to get shots you'd never be able to capture with your phone and a selfie stick. Number 5. DJI Mini 3 Pro. Newbies seeking an easy-to-tote drone with a great flight range. The DJI Mini 3 Pro weighs a mere 2.8 ounces and fits in your palm when folded, making it great to pack for your next trip. Its flight time lasts up to 34 minutes, and it has a flight range of 7.5 miles. With the extra cost plus battery, it can stay airborne for a lofty 47 minutes. Like other DJI models, the DJI Mini 3 Pro has convenient features like automatic takeoff and smart return to home. The camera sits on a 3-axis gimbal and can capture content in portrait or landscape mode. Its specs impress. It has a 4x digital zoom, a wide 180-degree field of view, and can shoot 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. Detailed and sharp still images can be shot at a massive 48 megapixels. Despite its small size, this drone can withstand winds of up to 23 miles per hour. Its compact size comes in handy in many regions, as the Mini 3 Pro may be small enough to bypass local regulatory rules. What the reviews say: the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone has been an absolute game changer for me as I explore my new town. This lightweight and powerful drone have provided me with incredible aerial views and an opportunity to capture high-quality shots that showcase the beauty of my surroundings. No automatic obstacle avoidance. Carefree creation. Weighing less than 249 g, Mini 3 Pro doesn't require registration in most countries and regions. The foldable and compact design also makes it easy to carry on any adventure. Max ascent speed 8 meters per second. Seriously pro shots. Capture your world in remarkable detail with 4K/60 FPS video and 48MP photos. The advanced camera system supports dual native ISO and f/1.7 aperture for high-quality imagery, night and day. Perfect portraits in a tap. The redesigned DJI Mini 3 Pro offers true vertical shooting for portrait shots, ideal for social media. The gimbal rotates 90, so you don't have to compromise image quality. Sweet airtime. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes and capture and explore more of your surroundings. Fly with confidence. DJI Mini 3 Pro features tridirectional obstacle sensing and APS 4.0, bringing unrivaled safety to the Mini series. Create and share on the go. DJI Mini 3 Pro offers an extensive range of intelligent features including focus track, true vertical shooting, master shots, time-lapse, quick transfer, and more. Includes the new DJI RC, which has the DJI Fly app pre-installed and a built-in 5.5-inch HD display for crisp viewing even in direct sunlight. Max wind speed resistance 10.7 meters per second, level 5.